Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of ex times square root of 1 plus ex dx. Okay, you can solve this integral using the substitution rule. So if you define 1 plus ex as u, and if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, you will get derivative of 1 is equal to 0, derivative of ex is equal to ex, dx equal to du. Okay, so now if you substitute these two expressions into this integral, you can rewrite this integral as, instead of 1 plus ex, I can write u, that will be square root of u. Instead of ex dx, as you can see here, ex dx is equal to du. Okay, so this will be equal to integral of u with the power of 1 divided by 2 du. Okay, and this integral will be equal to u with the power of, that is the exponent, plus 1 divided by the exponent plus 1 plus c, that's the constant of the integral, which will be equal to u with the power of 3 divided by 2 divided by 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 2, therefore this will be 2 divided by 3, right? The inverse of 3 divided by 2 is 2 divided by 3 plus c, that's the constant of the integral. So all you need to do at this stage is to replace this parameter u by this definition, which is equal to 2 times, instead of u I write 1 plus ex with the power of 3 divided by 2 plus c, that is the constant of the integral. Okay, and that is the solution of this integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe into this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.